how to rotate textures in Unreal Engine 5. And here we have these textures. And this one I have rotation it. So let's start it. And I will create a new material. I open it. And I control space and find the textures. And I drag it to here. I will connect to base color. And I will change this view. And the next thing I'm gonna do as the custom rotator. And I will connect to UV node. And I will add texture coordinator. And connect to UV node. And the next thing I will hold on one and left click to create this parameter. And I will change this value. You can see this texture is rotation's different angle. You can choose what values you want. Yeah, maybe I want 0.5. Apply, save it. And I will drag this material to here. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.